Good day everyone! Tayo po ay mag-solve ng rational equation this video. And represented by Lance Jasin Abong, Jamir Acob, Rodelyn Mendugurin, and Kitson Dimalanta. Ang problem ay y plus 7 over y minus 2 equal 9 over y minus 2. Ang LCD is y minus 2 kasi kitang-kita naman pareho sila ng denominator. Ngayon, i-divide natin siya sa problem kanina. Y minus 2 divided by y minus 2 is equal 1 and times y plus 7 is equal to y plus 7. Next, y minus 2 divided by y minus 2 is equal 1 and times 9. Ngayon, naging y plus 7 equal na siya. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay lahat ng walang variables ay nasa right side at ang mga by variables ay sa left side. Kaya, y equal 9 minus 7. Yung 9 minus 7 ay i-subtract natin. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Kaya, y is equal to 2 ang sagot dito. Now, checking. I-check natin ang y equal to kung ito ba is a solution or not. Balik tayo sa problem kanina na y plus 7 over y minus 2 equal 9 over y minus 2 at sa pag-checking ang gagawin natin ay lahat ng y ay papalitan mo ng number 2. Kaya magiging 2 plus 7 over 2 minus 2 equal 9 over 2 minus 2. Ngayon naman, isolve na natin. 2 plus 7 equal 9. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Kaya 9 over 0. Sa kabila naman ay kapilang si 9 and then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Kaya 9 over 0. Ang naging sagot po dito is 9 over 0 equal 9 over 0. Ito po is undefined kasi po 0 po yung denominator nila. Or ito yung tinatawag na extraneous solution. What is extraneous solution? An extraneous solution is an apparent solution that does not solve its equation.
Conclusion. First, find the LCD. Second, LCD defined to the problem. Third, simplify the numbers. Fourth, checking if the solution is extraneous solution or not.
That's all, and I hope you understood something about the extraneous solution and what they are.
Thank you for watching.